lovely. So today is, I can't remember which day it is, of Vlogmas, but I did want to make a really quick dish for all of you. I'm going to make a really quick dish. It's called midnight pasta, and I'll be making it with some bits of bacon here. I got these Xmas shaped pasta. These are from Winners. They've got some Christmas themed shapes like Christmas trees, there's a Santa, and they are different flavors. So I think one of them is tomato and the other one is spinach, and then there's just a regular pasta. So this dish doesn't really have a lot of ingredients. Typically you would use a long pasta for this, but we're trying to keep it festive. Hopefully it tastes good. So you really just need some extra virgin oil, your choice of pasta. You can add a meat if you want to. It doesn't usually require that you add meat. And then garlic. And garlic is really the main flavor in the dish, so don't skimp on the garlic. All right. First I was considering making a dish with like a really nice creamy sauce, but A, I'm exhausted, and B, I actually want to show off the shape of the noodles. So let's boil the pasta first, and we're gonna cook the whole thing. Gonna fill this up